This is the best way to cook a whole fish. It's easy, but very impressive. Cooking a whole fish in salt isn't a modern technique. It's been done for thousands of years. But stuffing it with lemon, thyme, fennel, and baking in the oven, it just comes out so delicious and juicy. The key of cooking a fish with a salt crust is to ask your fishmonger not to scale your fish. This looks like a lot of salt. It is a little igloo of salt, but it's gonna keep this fish so beautiful and moist inside. And while this is baking away, it's time for a Chardonnay. Sometimes the best recipe is just about drinking wine. No mess, no stress. This is a great dish for a party. Back in the oven, in the center of the table. Easy. It's got a beautiful caramelized color on the top. I think it's ready. So if you remember, I've stuffed the belly with fennel, lemon, thyme, or anything else you want, by the way, and I can smell it through the salt. Are you guys ready? I can tell you this fish is going to be amazing. You can serve that with anything you want, a beurre blanc, a white wine sauce, a bit of olive oil, or even a squeeze of lemon. You know what's missing? A little bit of salt. Bon appétit.